Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to save Snapchat photos in gallery. So it's pretty easy to do. You have to go to your Snapchat application. So let's head over to our Snapchat and make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And then tap on your profile or Bitmoji on the top left corner. And here, if you can't find the option of saving, just head over to the gear icon on the top right. It will lead you to the settings option of your Snapchat and scroll down until you find the option of memories. So you'll find it in the privacy control section and it will be right here just in the bottom of family center. So tap on memories. So as we want to save our snaps in gallery, so what we need to do is tap on the save button, and here it is currently set to memories. And if we want to save our Snapchat photos to our gallery too, so the gallery is mentioned or defined in our Snapchat as camera roll. So what we will do is tap on memories and camera roll, and once it is selected, here just go back and it will currently save the all the memories to camera roll and yeah too, and the memories too. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.